Good morning, Selina, and welcome to Hometown Living.
Good morning, Kim. How are you?
I'm well. So for people that don't know, tell us about Unity Gardens and their mission.
Yeah, well, I mean, you said our mission perfectly. It's connecting people to fresh food, nature, and each other. And we really care about building that community around a garden because it's more than just a garden. It's a spot where you can access healthy food and build yourself physically, but also emotionally and with your well-being, and creating friendships and connections that'll help you in areas of your life outside of just healthy nutrition.
And do you have several locations of the gardens?
Yes, so our main location, our biggest garden, is on the west side of South Bend on Prest and Ardmore. However, we have over 40 satellite gardens sprinkled throughout the city of South Bend and even a couple in Marshall County as well.
And how long has Unity Gardens been in existence?
We just turned 16.
Oh my
16,
gosh.
so it's pretty exciting.
Very exciting. And so you guys have a summit coming up?
Yes.
So tell us about that.
Summit.
Okay, so tell me about that.
So it is on March 15th at the main branch of the St. Joseph County Public Libraries downtown in South Bend, and it'll run from 9:30 to 4 p.m. So a full day event full of classes on nature, gardening, native plants, sustainability, nutrition, and more. It's completely free to the public. There is no charge to attend. It isn't something that you have to be at the whole day. You can pop in for just a class or two if you like. We'll also have information and vendors down in the ballroom. One of those would be Dirty Bill's worm castings. He's gonna have that table there selling his amazing vermiculture. And then we'll have Joe Gady from Farming for Life teaching people how to make their own krauts and kombuchas at home all day in that ballroom as well.
Wow. And so tell me about some of the other classes that will be there.
I'm personally really excited for some of the native classes, especially one with integrating them into your vegetable gardens, because obviously we care about growing food, but we also care about the environment. So being able to do that together is awesome. And Lindsay Spalding from Spalding Restorations is going to be giving that class. Another one I'm excited about is the fact that we'll be having some Spanish speaking classes as well for people who are more comfortable speaking Spanish. So we'll have a class on how to do pickled chili peppers and talking about food safety and food temperatures. Another one is just an overview of sustainable food systems and giving some thought to that. And then just classics. We'll have a chickens class, which is amazing because people are really into backyard chickening right now. So we'll have something to get you started.
Will you have
with
real
that.
chickens there?
I don't think we'll have real chickens there. Not this time.
Okay.
But we will have a lot of information if you want to have your own real chickens. And then just garden maintenance, organic gardening, things to get people started for the growing season, as well as things to get people excited about just getting their hands dirty in the dirt as well.
Why is a summit like this important?
Because it's something that it's so special when people generate knowledge within themselves. So these are experts in their field that have taken years and years to accumulate this skill, and then they are taking that and sharing it for free with the community, giving them this education, this skill, this hobby. Sometimes it's not easy to have a hobby just because of the lack of access to these things. Or growing food is something that is necessary, becoming necessary, being able to cut that grocery bill a little bit and grow it in your own backyard. So giving people the access to this kind of knowledge is special, not just for empowering them, but also bringing them together with other people that have the same interests. And again, building that community of people they can support each other.
What's the favorite part of your job?
Oh, I just love every day has a magical moment, a magical interaction, or a special thing that happens, whether it be with kids in the neighborhood, whether it be someone coming to harvest from the garden, or just someone who's like, wow, that's really cool. Keep doing that. It's just, there's not a shortage of magic when you work at Unity Gardens.
I love that. Well, thank you so much for all that you do, and thank you for being a frequent flyer on our show.
Thank you.
If you would like to learn more about Unity Gardens and their Growing Summit, just head over to theunitygardens.org and be sure to follow them on Facebook.